This is my backyard. Yeah, that's a lot of snow. Yeah, the snow comes up past my knees here. Come on. This, here, stay. Look, it comes up almost to where Harley's back is. The snow does. A lot more snow in the backyard. A lot more, and it's not hard to move through. It's real powdery, real soft. This is the gas lines. I don't know if I need to clear that out or not. It does concern me a little bit. And here's the dog house, which is hilarious. This is my stairs, but you cannot even see the steps. So anyway, that's my backyard. There's the fence line. I think I'm going to go stop this, put the phone up, and go play with her. 22 inches here. February 9th, 2011 in the evening, about 4:30.